Okay, my people, you all have watched that video, and in that video, those people you are seeing there are Ikwerre people. They are carrying banner saying that Ikwerre is not Igbo, Ikwerre is not Igbo, Ikwerre is different from Igbo, blah blah blah. All those people you are seeing there, now pay them to come the mumu, all those rubbish, the mumu. They paid them. So all those people, they will tell us, say, okay, make una come protest. They give them like 2,000 naira, give them drink. Hungry people. So now why they come out like this, they talk rubbish. Even ogbakor Ikwerre organization knows that they are Igbo people. They are just playing politics. What these people must understand is that, you see this their protest or this their rally cannot stop the Igbo identity of Ikwerre people. After the rally, Ikwerre man still emerged as the president of Ohaneze and Igbo. What these people can do now? After Ikwerre man be the president of Ohaneze and Igbo, waiting these people feel do. All these people are just doing content. They are just creating content. They are just content creators. And all this thing, they sweet all these enemies of the Igbos. People will say anything Igbo, not they sweet them. Posts and news like this makes them happy. If they just come and see that these people are denying that they're not Igbos, they go, they happy, bitter souls. And all your joy have been shattered because an Ikwerre man is now the President General of Ohaneze and Igbo. Remain blessed, Senator John Azotambata. Remain blessed wherever you are, sir. All these people are just ranting, making noise. Now, noise that they make. They are making noise. There is a video that we always see online in Wood Market in Ikwerre land. Yes, that place is called Wood Market in Ikwerre land. You go see where they interview some men. Those men go to say Ikwerre is not Igbo. All those people where they see so, they don't get sense. Many of them don't have sense. They just here say, hey, we are from Bini. They agree. People will not they read. People will not know anything. So all those videos, you see that channel, they give all these Bini people and Igbo haters joy. It gives them joy. Those people don't have sense. If you see person where get sense where they interview, you go know. So all these people saying that Ikwerre is not Igbo, you people are wasting your time. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. And there's nothing all this protest and all this useless rally can do about it. So make one enter house. Mad people everywhere.